This is the part I'm going to be using to do this job. This is a front loaded strut. These are the tools I'm going to be using today to do this job. 1/4 inch ratchet, 10mm socket, 1/4 inch extension, 14mm socket, 12mm socket, a punch, 22mm wrench, 30mm 12-point socket, 22mm socket, 17mm socket, 2 different hammers, 3/8 impact, 1/2 inch impact, a 3/8 impact, and anti-seize. Okay, first I'm going to be removing this axle nut. Removing the sway bar link. Removing the ABS and brake hose mount. Removing the speed sensor right back here. Removing these 2 nuts. Okay, so I position my jack right underneath the brake rotor. Now we're going to go to the top, removing the strut mount. There's 3 bolts. Removing the 2 bolts. Okay, removing the strut. Installing the new strut. Putting my strut onto the spindle. Okay. Putting on my bolts. Putting on my nuts. Tightening up my top bolts. So I'm removing my jack. Tightening up my bolts. Putting on my sway bar link. Putting on my ABS mount and the brake hose mount. Mounting my speed sensor. Putting some anti-seize on my axle. Tightening up my nut. So I'm going to stake my nut. So that's how you replace the front strut. Don't forget to subscribe. Give me a thumbs up and I see you in the next video. Aloha.